Hey everybody, it's Ron with Ron's Computer Videos. How's it going this evening? I've got a really quick video that I want to share with you guys about a project that I've been working on a little bit off and on with my friend Alan. It is all thanks to friend of the channel and all-around decent human being, Mark from MacEffects. That is a prototype of the new inner shells that he has produced for the G3 iMac. So he sent one to me in the mail a couple of months ago that had a few issues. It wasn't 100% correct. We were still tweaking everything out. But this latest one is really good, and it is very much practically what's going to be a shipping unit. So I just did a really quick assembly video. It's just shot raw. Thanks again to Alan for being the cameraman. Why don't we check it out? All right, just to make sure that we don't dox anybody, I've gone ahead and removed all the shipping information off of it. But this is what Mark sent me. This is basically a prototype of the new replacement bezels that he has produced for the G3 iMac. So give me a second, I'll get this unwrapped and then we'll be back with you. So this is it. This is the plastic. It's very lustrous looking. The original one that Mark had sent, there was a small issue with the aperture of these little screw holes here. So it was really tough to get things screwed in, but this new version addresses that. So this should be a pretty easy install. Like I said, this is Alan's prized G3 iMac. It's not one that he used as a kid, but it means a lot to him. So we're gonna be very careful. Plus, Alan has my brand new phone. The garbage disposal was right there. I want to avoid any kind of violence tonight. Okay, so we have it off. We'll grab Mark's modern replacement. It actually already has the power switch there, so we will leave that alone, but we are going to need to pop out these screw covers here with some, make sure we don't misplace those. Are there ones up here yet? Yep, we have new screw covers up here too. Let's get those out of there. All right, those are new ones. These are the top, those are the bottom. I'll get the two confused. All right, let's do this.
get you in with this?
Yeah, because I'm going to sit down. I feel like Mom after she just made an entire pan of Rice Krispie treats. I'm wrung out. This is, they're a big machine to kind of wrangle anyway. So unless you're as strong as 2 adult men and 6 stout boys, you might want to have a little bit of assistance. Alan helped me wrangle this thing around while we were working on it, just to make sure that all of the seams and everything lined up just right to get everything into tolerance. And you know what? We got it there. And I think it looks really good. There are some little defects in the front bezel of this machine, but the inner bezel looks just like a brand new iMac. I think that after a while, people, they kind of get a expectation that iMacs kind of have a dingy look, and they attribute that to this outside plastic, but no, it's that inner bezel, and it absolutely, they're all like gray and degraded and just terrible. So, but anyway, thanks so much to Mark for sending us one of these to play around with. I had a lot of fun doing it. It is kind of a big project. Make sure that when you go through, you label where all your screws go, because some of them have different thread sort of pitch, and then a lot of them have different head types and all that. So, but that's just little things. Hey, babe. So, anywho, thanks for joining me, and thank you to Alan once again for playing cameraman. And that's it for the moment. So, as I always say, thanks for spending time with me this evening, and Apple II forever. Okay. That was it. I know I already closed the episode out, but I'll close it out for you one more time. Thanks everybody for taking a few minutes and just watching with me. And as I always say, Apple II forever.